Hi, hello, happy Friday, welcome to the vlog. I'm in the car in the Kroger parking lot getting ready to go to Kroger. I've run, today is lots of errands day. I had to go to the post office and then I picked up my mom's contacts at the eye doctor and then I went and got french fries because, fun fact, I discovered on our way home from ballet on Wednesday night, I was craving french fries and I was like, there's gotta be somewhere in this general vicinity that has gluten-free french fries. Like, the french fries are safe because they're only fried, you know, in french fries. So I did some checking and turns out that the Skyline french fries are gluten-free, which means I have lived in a city with gluten-free fries for like 9 years and didn't know that they had them. Of course, I've only been strictly gluten-free for 3 years. Yeah, so I didn't realize they had them, and so I had my dad get me some on the way home from, we took two vehicles, it's a long story, but anyway, he picked up some for me, I had them, my stomach is completely fine, was fine, is fine from that whole experience. So that means that the fries from Skyline are safe. So I am sitting here in the car by myself eating fries from Skyline because I can eat them. And I'm also the person who brought their own condiments. I brought my vegan ranch. If you've never tried the Just Ranch, you are missing out. Unless you don't like ranch, then maybe you're not missing out. But this is the best vegan ranch. Never would have guessed it's vegan, but it is incredible. It's my favorite ranch dressing I've ever had. And also, so I guess I'm kind of doing, what is that thing that they do on YouTube now? What's it called? A mukbang or something where they eat food and chat. So we'll do a car mukbang, or like quick one while I'm eating my fries dipped in ranch. Is this gross? Is this gross for people eating fries dipped in ranch? I don't know. Also, lots of people are looking at me, but we're just gonna go with it. So, so also, I have had the most intense craving for ranch dressing the past week. Like, it's kind of ridiculous. Like, I am eating it with everything at every chance I get, and it came on suddenly. All of a sudden, I needed ranch. It was like 10 o'clock at night on like Wednesday night or something last week, and I was like, I need ranch and I need it right this instant. So I've been eating ranch with everything. So not everything, but like everything that makes sense. It's weird. I don't know what's causing this craving. I was talking to someone this week and we were thinking it might be vinegar, like my body is craving vinegar. So I'm gonna try pickles. I've never liked pickles, but the past week when people talk about pickles, I've been like, that wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. So I don't know what's wrong with me. It might just be the vinegar that I'm craving. I love salt and vinegar chips. I'm also probably gonna get some of those, but yeah. Right now, french fries, ranch dressing, I'm normal. I'm just so excited to have gluten-free french fries. Like, I've missed french fries. These aren't like the most incredible french fries in the world by any means. They're french fries, but I cannot be picky at this point. I'm just happy. And it was like $2 for this giant, like the size of my face thing of french fries. So I'll take it. So is there anything else I want to chat about? Because I'm still sitting here eating this. 4th of July is coming up this weekend. Got some fun stuff. My 4th of July is coming up this weekend. I mean, 4th of July is happening next week on Wednesday. But we're gonna do some fun stuff this weekend. We're going to like a symphony fireworks thing. So that'll be fun. What else? Oh, there's a new For King and Country song. That's exciting. I stayed up last night so that I could hear it at midnight. Actually, I didn't stay up so that I could hear it. I stayed up last night and was, not intentionally, but was able to hear it at midnight. I love it. I'm obsessed. I don't want to wait until October. I'm going to wait till October for new season of Supergirl, new season of Legends, although I haven't finished season 3 of that yet. But I wait till October for that. I have to wait till October for the new For King and Country album. Like, why do I have to wait till October for everything? I have to wait until October to go see our first Broadway in Cincinnati show. Like, so many things aren't happening until October. But that's okay. We've got a lot going on the next couple weeks. Okay, I'm gonna go. This is boring. I'll see you later. Someone lost a tooth! Third tooth. Apparently I got knocked out by that one. So, not because he punched her. They were playing and bumped her.
Isaiah's foot went like this.
But that works out. Remember that time you kicked him in the face?
Oh yeah, I remember that.
And you busted his lip. So you just lost a tooth. Now you're even. Let me see. You're gonna be toothless for your birthday.
Yeah, Mom's gonna Every time I lose a tooth, she gives me $1 or $2.
Yep, that's how it works. All right, I'm gonna make dinner.
Okay.
Oh, it's a baby woodpecker. Oh, it was chirping. You could hear it chirping. The mom was feeding it. It was so cute. Hey, your mom just came over and gave it some. Oh, I missed it. So cute. I got these pickles today. It's a long story, but so I was reading and I was like, I wonder what the nutrition facts on it is. Like, oh, only 5 calories. Awesome. And then I read serving size 1/3 of a pickle. They're only like, they're not that big. Like, they're, you know, just like normal pickle size. They're pretty small. Why would you eat 1/3 of a pickle? Who buys whole pickles in order to eat 1/3 of them? Like, what is this? What? We are on our way to the first 4th of July celebration of the season. I don't know. We're going to the Symphony and we're gonna see fireworks and it's gonna be fun. It's very hot outside, but I think we'll be able to, you know. Oh yeah, perfect. There's no one parked here. We have a plan for where we're gonna park, so as not to take 7 hours to leave. Check out this crew. We look like we're headed to like an all-day music festival because we've done that before, but no, we're just going to an evening of music with our ridiculous amount of stuff because we can't eat anything at these places, right. So we have multiple coolers of our food. Oh man. Well, not bad. We're right there because it's hot and there's no one here. So we're here with like 7 other people. Isaiah's all set up. Tell us about your book, because I was impressed.
I stayed up till 1:15 last night, and I only made it to chapter 9.
Only chapter 9, though.
Yeah,
like, that's a lot of chapters.
I was hoping to make it to 30.
You wanted to finish the book?
No, I wanted to make it halfway at least.
There's 60 chapters in that book?
I don't know.
Dude, since when are you reading such crazy books?
There's 33 chapters in this book.
Oh, okay. I was like, 60 chapters. That's still impressive, Isaiah. Good job.
What? 9's not a lot. It's just
like 1/3 of it. Almost 1/3 of it.
It's not a lot. It's not enough to satisfy you.
You can keep reading. We've got like 3 hours.
It's the first time she's had this.
I think it is. How is it?
Oh, I thought
Put it
you
in your
had
mouth
one
and let
other
it melt.
time.
No, you have. Oh, it's very cold. How is it?
As fast as possible.
I've already eaten so much of mine. So the program comes with some gems of jokes related to music. Let's get one. What's one?
Okay, why did Mozart get rid of his chickens? They kept saying bach, bach. Bach, 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 bach. What makes music on your hair?
What?
A headband. Why did the pianist bang his head against the keys?
Why?
He was playing by ear.
What? Yep, that's it.